We're with Kim Padeletti. She's 31 years old. She does risk management in the projects group at BHP Billiton. Welcome.
Thanks. Happy to be here, Heather.
You have a background in chemical engineering. How do you think that has given you an advantage around a whole bunch of petroleum engineers?
Okay, well, good question. I don't necessarily think it's an advantage, but I definitely think that having diversity of thought and different skill sets in engineering definitely adds value to a company. I'll talk a little bit about a story, or really on my day-to-day job, we look at, I might look at something from a process engineering midstream, downstream perspective, and I might look at how to maximize the capacity and the efficiency of the plant using pressures and temperature, whereas my petroleum engineering, reservoir engineering, production engineering colleagues might look at it from pressures and temperatures to maximize the well. And I think you need, depending on the project, that balance between the two viewpoints, and that's where the diversity of thought ends up adding a lot of value to oil and gas companies. So I think it's the collaboration between the different engineering backgrounds that builds value on teams.
You work in project risk and management. How has the downturn affected how you do business?
Well, you definitely look at projects in a different lens. So obviously before the downturn, most companies were looking at time to market, efficiency, schedule. So probably 30% of our project risks were related to that. After the downturn, I could pretty much assure you 100% of companies are looking more at risks related to capital efficiency in their projects. But the one thing that's remained constant, I think, is the focus on safety. And I think going forward that would have to stay constant as well in risk management.